first job of the day here. Gotta go inside, gotta pre-agitate. Let's see here, get the CRB going. Get the silver door up, love that thing. Alright. Okay. 3-bedroom house. Not bad. Carpet's not bad. You can see little area here. She does have dogs, so that's normal. If you have dogs, you're gonna get like a little buildup of oil, but that'll come out real good. So you'll see as I'm cleaning, the difference looks amazing once we're done. Around here, not too bad, but everything's picked up. Just got it all moved, ready to go. Just get the CRB running. Here. Okay, and this is a polyester carpet, so agitating is exactly what you want to do dealing with polyester fiber. So I'm gonna get the cable out of the way here and get pulled in. But yeah, been doing our carpets now for about three years or more. They always turn out good. She's happy every time. So let's get it going here. A piece of booze. Okay. You see that nap is always pulling back up. And that's good for polyester. Because polyester, running into that more and more lately. It's everywhere. This section, I'm curious how it's going to go. I've never used the CRB on her carpet before, so this is the first time getting the CRB treatment. So, may not notice a difference too much because the oil, it's lightening up a little bit. You can see it. Because it's not really, like I said before, it's not really removing it, but it's breaking it loose, getting it ready to be extracted. Not bad. And looks like she had also pre-vacuumed before, the client here, because you can tell, because all her dogs, she got 3 awesome dogs. They met me when I came in. And they got, they're the type that shed. I think 2 of them shed year-round, the other one not so much. But yeah, long-haired dogs, and I'm not seeing too much hair pop up, so that's a good sign. Good sign. Whatever vacuum she uses, it's doing the job. That's what you want, especially with animals. You want a good beater bar brush on the carpet so you can comb through and get that hair pulled out. I believe even one of the Shark vacuums now has a tool on it where as it pulls the hair into the vacuum, it untangles it so you don't have that mess tangled up on the end of your brush there. So I'm curious about finding somebody who has one so I can check it out in person. That's very interesting that it can actually unravel the hair and pull it straight through the system without plugging up or getting it wrapped around your brush. That's usually what it does instantly. Even with this CRB, the hair gets pulled right around this and gets trapped. So usually every job or every other job I gotta clean out the brushes before the next one. Alright, that's good. All the main traffic areas pre-conditioned, pre-agitate, mechanically agitated. Let me get right here by the doorway. Okay, everything is good. I'm gonna go ahead and switch over to the scrub one and get clean. Okay, so we're at this area. You can see here. Oh, that's showing up on camera there. You can see the difference. There's a clean before, after. Looking really good. Alright. Come on, come around. There we go. Okay. It's gonna be a little. The first pass is where something, a piece of furniture was setting, so we'll wait till we get to the second half of it. Oh yeah, that's looking good. Look at that. How you doing? I think you'll be pleasantly happy with these results. And like I said, it's mainly just a buildup from pet oil that you get the dog hair, fur, you know, their paws. They have oils in it, just like we have oils in our skin, and it gets all on the carpet. So if you have pets, I recommend once a year or more for your carpets to be cleaned. That'll help keep this stuff out of there. But if you wait longer, give us a call. I can still get it out, as you can obviously see from the video here. So it's coming up great. Alright, well, I'm going to continue. I'll get some more video footage here and there.